200 grams of dark chocolate, 150 grams of unsalted butter, 450 grams of caster sugar, 6 large eggs at room temperature, 40 grams of cocoa powder, and if you want some optional buttercream icing, you will be needing 2 extra tablespoons of it. 70 grams of unsalted butter softened for the chocolate buttercream icing. 150 grams of icing sugar. 1 tablespoon of milk. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Line a muffin tray with paper cases. Melt the chocolate and butter together in a heat-proof bowl over a pan of simmering water. Crack all 6 eggs open and put them all together in a bowl. We were lucky enough to crack open an egg and find 2 egg yolks. Put the eggs and caster sugar together in a bowl, then beat until light and fluffy. Then, once the chocolate mixture has cooled down, pour it into the caster sugar and egg mixture and fold it in. Next, sift in the flour, cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt before whisking the whole thing together. Pour the final chocolate mixture into the paper cases. Put the mixture into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. For the buttercream icing, mix the softened butter with half of the icing sugar and beat it together. Then add the rest of the icing sugar, the cocoa powder, and the milk and whisk the whole thing together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Oh, and P.S. Don't forget to drink water and stay hydrated.